Right, so welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm going to be doing a bike review. Little Yamaha YZF 125 2014 bike review. As you can see, this bike is fucking sexy, bro. Fucking sexy. I will turn it off. I will turn it off just for the little, just for the purpose of the video. As you can see, it is very, very foggy. Not good, not nice. But on the other side, it is very fucking nice because holy shit, I feel like I'm in a game. I genuinely feel like I'm in a game. Since the last video, I have received a lot of support. Like, holy shit, thank you everybody for watching. I do really appreciate it. Bikes are my life right now, not gonna lie. Bikes very fun, very sexy, very nice. I live in UK, so weather's not that nice, and yeah, it's kind of shit. So it's either I ride the bike like this or I don't ride the bike at all. I've no idea if people can hear me. I just sound like I'm fucking speaking to myself, but it is what it is, you know what I'm saying? It is what it is. This bike does not consume a lot of fuel. Like, I don't know how to say this. It does not consume a lot of fuel. I've been using this bike for 3 days so far. The fuel thing is literally not moved at all. I'll show you right now. The fuel bit has not moved at all, bro. Let's show it, yeah. Look, it's moved a tiny bit. Tiny bit. Like, I don't have to explain this. It uses fuck all fuel. Like, it's a turn it off. It's a 125, so I understand it won't use a lot of fuel, but it doesn't use any fuel at all, bro. By the way, what are these buttons in here, bro? Like, I genuinely, I want to turn the bike on and see what those buttons do. I'm not gonna lie. Disc insert, trip time, average speed 15 miles an hour. The fuck? Sure, I can flash people. I didn't know I can do that. The fuck? You know, this bike is very nice. Very nice. I'm still like pretty much new to this bike because I've had it for literally, what day is it today? What date? Sorry, date. 14th. God damn, bro. I've had this bike for a week. I've had this bike for a week already. Holy shit, time flies. Like, I'm not gonna lie, time does fly. I figured out a way how to use my microphone instead of using my fucking GoPro mic. Is my GoPro even on? Yeah, it is. Yeah, I figured out a way how to use my mic instead of using a GoPro mic. So I've chopped up a mic to my intercom here, as you can see. Or if you can't see, forget. I've got an intercom on the side of my helmet, and I basically go on my phone's app, and because I can listen to music through that little thing, I had an idea, bro. I can record audio. So I just went on my little fucking voice recording app, and now I can record audio. Also, let me see if I can listen to music and do it at the same time. Yeah, no, it doesn't seem like I can listen to music and record audio at the same time, so that's a bit of an L. But I don't give a fuck, bro. I figured out a way how to do it without having to buy an adapter, without having to do shit. So I will have to sacrifice listening to music, but you know what I'm saying? Bro, I'm happy. Turn this bitch off. Yo, I'm happy. I have a little quad lock mount, so I can have my phone there. I have heated grips. This bike is heated grips. I've got stickers on the side of it. Right, let me do a little bike review. Let me real quick just show off the bike a little bit. So, as you can see, I've got pegs on the back. I do have pegs on the back, even though I'm not allowed to have anyone on the back. I do have L plates and all that shit. What's it called? Nice little Scorpion exhaust. As you can see, nice little Scorpion exhaust. Fucking everything on the bike is very nice, very sexy. This is carbon fiber looking ass fucking thing, which is very sexy, very smexy. Little logo here. The only thing I don't like about this bike is the mirrors. Like, goddamn, the mirrors look goofy as fuck. Like, the mirrors, bro, look goofy as shit. The big as fuck for no reason. They're just, I don't know, but the bike mirrors. So I guess, like, I have to have bike mirrors because they're important. I have to fucking see behind me without turning. But yeah, yeah, since the last time I rode, I have improved a lot on, like, I managed to improve my gears. I can change gears a lot better now. I can upshift, I can downshift a lot better. I'm trying to learn how to fucking rev match. It is kind of working, kind of not working at the same time. Sometimes I hit it, sometimes I don't. I still fucking stall this bike a lot. I haven't been stalling it that much recently. Like, I've been stalling a lot less than like when I first got it, but I do still stall a lot. This is normal because I've had this bike for literally less than a month. So what you need to know about this bike is it doesn't come with this, but I have heated grips inbuilt. This is low beam, high beam. I have this little thing here, which is to, I didn't even know this existed, to be fair, but it's to like let people pass, you know, flicker the lights. You have a horn, not going to press that shit. Indicator, left, right, middle, clutch right here. I'm not going to press it because yeah, I'm scared. I got the little engine off, engine on. Got the, so what you have to do is turn the key, engine on, so on, hold this or press it, turns on the bike. Info, you can scroll through the settings, all that shit. What else is there to this bike, bro? I'm not gonna lie. Like, there's I don't know, it's just a bike, bro, but it's cool. It's cool as fuck. It's very cool, very nice, very sexy. Now I'm gonna go on a little ride. There won't be any microphone audio because there just won't be, because I can't listen to music and fucking record audio at the same time. Again, thank you so much for the support in a recent video. This is literally just a little hobby. I don't expect to make money from this. I don't expect nothing to come from this. This is just a little channel that I have for my bike. Obviously, if I do make money off it, it would be nice, because then I can get a bit bigger bike, customize this bike, or I don't know, do something else. But yeah, boys, I'm gonna pause this right now, and then I'm gonna go riding, you know what I'm saying?